Olá e bem-vindos ao Mil Palavras com o Sérgio, where we look at the top 1,000 words in European Portuguese as they're used on a day-to-day basis. Today in episode 5, we're looking at nu, na, nuj, and nuj. Alright, so today we're going to look at the preposition em and how it contracts with definite articles u, uj, and ush. So you have the preposition em, and essentially it translates to either at the, on the, or in the, depending on context. So you have, again, preposition em. Remember, no hard M in there at the end. It's just em. Don't press your lips. And then that contracts with u, uj, and ush to become nu if it's singular masculine, na if the thing that whatever object is relating to the other object is on the, at the, or in the. And the same thing applies to nuj and nuj. So here you have another example or another quick chart demonstrating exactly these contractions. You have em plus u equals nu, em plus equals na, and em plus uj equals nuj. So lastly, em plus uj equals nuj. Okay, so that's how this thing is constructed. Let's look at a few examples. O primeiro exemplo é: os pratos estão na mesa. The plates are on the table. Ele pesca no rio. Ele pesca no rio. Rio being masculine, singular, it would have u, so it becomes no rio. Há muita vida nos oceanos. There's a lot of life in the oceans. Há muita vida nos oceanos. Eles surfam nas ondas. Eles surfam nas ondas. They surf on the waves. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was informative and explained the concept in full for you. Please leave me comments or questions below if you have ideas for other videos, or if you just want more explanation on this particular concept. Let me know if there's a word, phrase, or anything Portuguese related that I can make a video about. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, as it really helps get this out to more and more people. If you're looking for one-to-one lessons in European Portuguese, check out my website at sapedrosa.com. It should be appearing on the screen right now for more information on available courses. Ciao.